Woo! Hey everyone, this is Daryl from Daily Crypto Trading is coming to you live from Vietnam. Good morning, Vietnam. Woo! The Ric Flair Crypto coming to you live once again. Guys, it's a great time to be live. So we're going to be talking about what's going on, what next for Bitcoin, what next for Dogecoin. Also, as the title says, it looks like Dogecoin is hitting some resistance at 0.087. So we're going to explore that. And could we be seeing 10 cents coming in by the end of February for Dogecoin? So we're going to talk about that, give you my opinion. Remember, this ain't financial advice, just the OG now is expressing my opinion, not a licensed financial advisor. Now remember, there's no go without a Joe. I got the Daily Crypto Trade Signals t-shirt, guys. Go grab some t-shirts. Go to my shop, guys. The link's down there. Don't forget to smash the likes and show some love for the OG guys. A great time to be alive. So let's jump into it. Let's jump into the content without any further delay. Go back and watch all my other videos. I would appreciate become a member, guys. So what's going on? So far, Bitcoin returns so far are looking pretty good. We're still up 22.52%. So lovely jubbly. And Ethereum is also up 25%. And if you take a look at the Bitcoin monthly returns, we can see we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 consecutive months that Bitcoin is positive, and a lot of that's been fueled by this, guys. Facts: the 9 new Bitcoin ETFs are buying an average of 10,000 BTC every day. Let that sink in. Let that sink in. 10,000 BTC every day, and I told you that's almost 3x more than what's being mined. So we're gonna have a huge supply shock. And when we have a huge supply shock, price is going to go up. I already talked to you about the OTC markets. They basically have no more Bitcoin. So large institutions are going to have to go to Coinbase, Binance, and other exchanges to buy Bitcoin on the spot. And then exchange balances are going to start to go down. And when that happens, it's going to be hard to buy Bitcoin, and the price is going to go insane. It's just a matter of time. That's why the Scamooch in the house, he's saying, we could see a cycle top of $170,000. I think it's going to be higher than that. That's my personal opinion. I mean, call me crazy, call me a moon boy, OG in the house, but that's what I'm thinking. So far, we're seeing a little bit of a recovery day right now. We're seeing that Bitcoin is up 1%. We're seeing the altcoins are doing a lot better, up 3%. We're seeing the Dogecoin also up as well. So overall, a pretty good day with the exception of BNB, TRX, and TON. But remember, BNB was pretty positive when everything was down. So it's a little bit of profit taken. Not too much to worry about on that. Out there. Fear and greed, still 72. Still, we're greedy out there. Market cap is getting closer and closer, inching closer to the 2 trillion mark. Overall, not too bad. Bitcoin's up 1%. I think here in Asia, we're going to continue. Remember, it's Monday here in Asia. So I think that the Asian market's going to fuel more of this pump. And then by the time you guys wake up in the U.S., should be looking pretty good. Out there, BNB's down. Solana's up 2%. Also going to talk about Solana. Solana, I believe $125 incoming for Solana pretty soon. XRP up, Cardano's up as well. Avalanche is up, and Doge is still in the 10th spot out there, and then we're up 1.74%. Still up on a weekly 5%. Not too shabby. So let's take a look at what's going on with Bitcoin right now. Let me just give this a minty refresh. So Bitcoin right now is not too bad. We're above our $52,000 resistance here, just slightly. So I'm still inclined to leave this white. I don't think it's going to be green, but let me just flip it green. Hopefully that will hold, and we'll see some more stuff going up, guys. So our next really big target is, remember, this is all-time high, right? We're not too far. If we measure where we are now, right now, to the all-time high, we're only like 30%, 32%. So that is not too bad in terms of Bitcoin-ism. And if you go back here, you can see here in February, we're up 21%. So we only need to go 32%. So if we do 20% here and 10 here, we could be at all-time high by the halving, guys. Just interesting factoids. Interesting facts. Told you about that. Bow, wow. And guys, remember, once again, this is like the third time I've shown this chart, but I think it's really important that you understand that dips are inevitable part of bull market. So do not get depressed. Do not panic when you see dips. Okay, Bitcoin's up 21% in February. Let's say we have a 10% pullback in March. It still means we're up more than 12%. So just be prepared for that. Be prepared for that. But I think overall, Wendy Trendy is your friend. Zoom out, guys. Zoom out. What else is coming in news-wise? Looks like a lawsuit reveals intricate finance transactions involving FTX, Tether, and Delta Bank, shedding light on different challenges in cryptocurrency. Looks like Honduras is banning crypto. Oh, Debbie Downer. And guys, did you know it's remarkable? 2.2 billion inflow into Bitcoin ETFs highlight growing interest in crypto investments. And this is one of the reasons that Bitcoin is above 52,000 and why Bitcoin is going to be going to the moon. Ethereum is looking pretty, Dogecoin, Ethereum is here, sorry, Ethereum is looking pretty good. We're about to break out 3,000, and it's up right now, we're up out there. Dogecoin right now, Dogecoin is trading at 0.855, so we're up slightly. We're not seeing a humongous amount of volume. We still got a little resistance there. We're going to also be talking about the 0.087 level in a second, guys. And what I expect, looks like Gary's going nuts. It looks like they sued Van Eck for 175 million fine. And they said that the SEC for influence promotion. Okay, so yeah, Gary's going nuts again. He's looking. I'm sure the SEC, Gary must be one of the best SEC chairmen in terms of getting fines, guys, because he's been going nuts. Looks like Solana price prediction as buyers set to strike 700-day barrier time to sell or hold. So according to this article, we could see a nice push, a nice big leap to $125 pretty soon. Solana price prediction, a surprise rally breaks 116 level. Is Solana reclaiming 130 next? Well, according to this, we could see a sustainable recovery at 125. I believe that Solana could easily hit $200, $300 this bull run, guys. I'm loving Solana. Bitcoin, the breakout confirms we have been predicting for more than a year now. So you can see every time we go past 61.8 Fibonacci level, we often have a parabolic rise. So we have broken out from that, so we can expect big things happening. And if we look at the amplitude from here to here, that should take us to about 170,000. And that's what the Scamooch is. The Scamooch is predicting. And Bitcoin is unstoppable right now. All-time highs coming in. According to Titan of Crypto, we could be $61,000 coming imminent. And if you look at the ABC pattern out there equals C plus D, we could easily be seeing 61K sooner than many expect. Definitely before the halving, in my opinion, guys. So it's a good time to look. So what's going on? What next? I think what next is things are going to be going up. Things are going to be looking lovely, jubbly. And we're seeing that if you look at the previous trend lines, and if we apply those of the last three cycles, you can see this is the top, normal trend, upward, parabolic uptrend. Then we hit a top, normal uptrend, then parabolic, and then 2021, normal uptrend, then parabolic uptrend. Guys, we're right here. We're breaking out here. And if you look at this 9 degree uptrend here, we definitely could see Scamooch is saying 170. Some people are saying 1 million. I'm thinking somewhere in the middle, maybe 200K. What do you guys think? Yeah, it looks like JP Morgan loses $100,000 of customers' cash and denies responsibility. So there's this woman in Florida. She had a safety deposit box. She went there. Keys didn't fit. They drilled it out. And guess what? All her jewelry and stuff was gone. She sued. She lost. And then a couple years later, she saw her jewelry on auction on TV. Called the cops. Called the government. Proved it was her. Got it back. But it just goes to show that big banks and their lawyers, wow. 58 days to the next halving, guys, and definitely I believe we're going to see all-time highs coming sooner than later. Guys, if you got your crypto on the Central Exchange, get it off there right now. Dogecoin prediction, emerging bull pattern, signals rallied to 10 cents. So according to this article here, Dogecoin price prediction as emerging bullish pattern. So Dogecoin price prediction with Bitcoin showcasing a weakening bullish momentum at 52,000. The majority of cryptocurrencies, including Doge, spark new correction from the last swing high resistance of 0.88. Remember that? Dogecoin went down 7% to hit a low of 0.819. Okay, there should be another zero. There should be another zero. Okay, here. Okay, another zero, not 81 cents, another zero. This reversal backed up decreasing volume, suggesting the market participants are less interested in short positions. So will Doge regain 1 cent? So according to this article, we've got this double bottom here, and we should see a nice breakout to 9 cents coming soon. And I believe Dogecoin short-term movement exhibits a lateral trend oscillating between support and resistance of 0.7 and 0.9 respectively. Utilizing the 0.7 level as a foundational support, the Doge price is forming a notable bullish reversal configuration known as a double bottom. So if this happens, if we see this breakout, we could see a definitely breakout to 10 cents. However, the upward direction towards 10 cents is expected to encounter significant resistance out there. But yeah, and you know, Dogecoin price counters initial we have like some major resistance right here, guys, at 0.87, and you know, we've been kind of stuck in this rut for some time, almost like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is like our 6th day. 6 days of just being kind of stuck, and the 0.87 area is becoming nasty. So let's take a look at this article. It says long-term forecast for Dogecoin price is bullish. The bullish momentum was trapped below the resistance of 0.087. The bulls and bears are fighting it out at this level. The price of cryptocurrency is bouncing above the moving average lines and between the previous high. If buyers break the resistance above 0.87, the market will rally and we could see easily 10, 11 cents. I'd love that. So what we're seeing here is we have these key resistance levels here at 0.87 right here. And this kind of coincides with the 21-day SMA. So we need to get above there. We definitely need to get above there. Doge price bars are currently above the moving average lines as a result of the price rally. There is initial resistance, but Doge is moving above the moving averages slightly, though, slightly. There are long candlestick wicks pointing towards resistance level. These indicate strong selling pressure resistance levels. So these are the resistance levels 12, 14, 6, and 4. Okay. What's in the next direction for Doge? Well, on the 4-hour chart, Doge in an uptrend but fails to break through the 0.87. The altcoin fell after 48 hours and traded below the recent high. The cryptocurrency fell but remained trapped between the moving averages. These indicates that the altcoin will continue to fluctuate and be range bound. So we're kind of trapped here, right, guys? So yeah, we just need to get above the 0.87. I think we're going to do it. And that's why Elon Musk, Doge community, we need you right now. We're sending you the bat signal. So Elon Musk, if you're watching this, we're sending you the bat signal, brother. 8K looked at it, 69 people retweeted. So go and retweet Elon. We need your help. Let's see if Elon Musk will respond to the tweet. Let's see if he's gonna engage with the community. I appreciate it. And guys, don't forget Dogecoin Radio is coming. Remember, this is a line of sight in developing countries where you could have like these line of sight radios connected to an uplink to Starlink, and then you could interact and use Doge as a currency of transaction in developing countries. So cool beans, guys. So I just want to say, be blessed, be well. That brings this video to a close, guys. Go smash the likes. Dogecoin will break out. It's just a matter of time. Time. I would like to have seen more. I like to have seen more because Dogecoin is definitely up right now. Bitcoin is up right now, and I'd like to see Dogecoin doing some more. But we definitely need Elon Musk to say something. We need the Doge one happening. We need the X payments. I think a lot of us are getting disappointed, getting tired. We need some momentum, some stuff happening, guys. So I'll be blessed. Be well. I'll see you in the freaking next one, guys. Peace out.